Good afternoon, guys. Another trolling lure. This is trolling minnows, yeah. This is a fire tiger green. So this one is green at the top, and yellow at the belly. This is an imitation of usually lure from Japan. It's made from China. The hooks are, not so good. Hooks not so good. Small. This can also be used also in casting. That's it, guys. Oh yeah.